Aircraft on Charlie, lining up runway 16 center, say your call sign. The dash 8 on runway 16 center, say your call sign. The dash 8 on runway 16 center, say your call sign. Who is the dash 8 holding on runway 16 center? Horizon 2728, verify you're in the left turn.
We're in the turn, Horizon 2728.
Horizon 2728, thank you, contact departure.
Departure, see ya.
Sky Alaska 322. That aircraft was passed behind the horizon when you were taking off forward. I don't know what it is.
Who's the aircraft on runway 16 center?
His wheels are smoking left and right as they are right now. He's rolling down the runway.
Alright, I'm not even talking to him.
He came flying out of the cargo area in front of Delta.
Which cargo area, 1 or 2?
The one that's furthest to the north.
For 259, we're at Finca for 16 right.
I 1758, contact departure.
Departure for 1758, good luck.
259.
Over. Vector V279, contact departure. Good night. Delta 983, hold your position. 9. Alright, thank you.
So you need to call and scramble now.
No, we are.
Thank you.
Delta 1837, hold short of runway 16 center. 1837, monitor tower 199.